This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can change the emergency propeller stop, preferences, or simply manage this feature on this drone. So first you will need to, switch everything on, interconnect, pair, whatever, then open the DJI Fly interface, launch settings from there, then in the safety category, scroll all the way to the bottom, enable or enter the advanced safety settings, and here you'll see the emergency propeller stop, which you can switch between emergency only or anytime, which, as you can tell from this text here, should be used with caution. Now, in order to activate the emergency propeller stop, you'll need to move both control sticks towards the bottom inner or outer corner simultaneously to stop the aircraft motor during flight. So it's either like that or like that. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.